Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Temu order using a hidden tracking trick that works even when the app shows no updates. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if Temu says your order is in transit but gives you no details, here's how to bypass that and see where your package actually is. First, open the Temu app, go to your orders and then tap on the one you're trying to track. There, you will see a tracking number. Press and hold that tracking number and copy it. Now here's the trick. Open your browser and go to a third-party tracking site like 17track.net or parcelsapp.com. Paste that tracking ID into the search box and hit track. These websites pull shipping info directly from Temu's courier partners like Express and 4px, and they often show way more updates than Temu gives you in the app. You will be able to see where the package really is, whether it's still at a sorting center in customs or already in your country waiting for delivery. This trick works especially well if Temu's app hasn't updated for days or shows in transit. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.